Low-profile reform bowls are the perfect replacement to outperform full and half steam table pans for catering takeout. Watch this. One order of spaghetti and meatballs came in a double-layered, leaking, full and half table steam pan setup. That's spaghetti and sauce in a full pan, meatballs in a half, with lids inside other pans and in boxes. The serving setup looks like this. To my surprise, it all fit in one 256-ounce low-profile reform bowl with a dome lid, eliminating 4 pans, 2 lids, and 2 boxes. I used the smaller reform bowl for the salad, replacing a cold-only packaging item with a reform bowl that can be used for both hot and cold. Not only are we knocking out SKUs, improving operations, and saving money, we are also reforming the food presentation into an elegant, table-ready takeout situation. Reform is made with as much as 99% recycled content and is dishwasher safe. It can be reused by consumers many times, continually reminding them of your great food. We like to think of the 3 R's as reduce, reuse, remember. Reform. Tired of your takeout looking like a 1970s TV dinner? Ask your local distributor about Reform or visit us at finelandsettings.com to see what's available.